Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So welcome to Textbook Regulatory Bodies. So guys, in this particular video we are going to talk about RBI Grade B is आपका first the eligibility criteria, major eligibility criteria, age limit, education, work experience and the number of attempt, right? So many candidates, those who are pursuing their आपका graduation and final years, and they are having many queries around RBI Grade B examination. So in this particular video, you'll be getting answer for all these particular questions. First of all, like when it comes to the notification, आपका तो last year it was around September, so 10th of September 2025. So this year also it will take time. You cannot expect a notification by the April, June or others, because right now they are conducting the interviews itself. So they have released the phase 2 result, then there will be interview, then allotment, training, placement and others. Then आपका they'll think about 2026. So if you are pursuing your masters or graduation, and if you are in final years, or if you are worried about the other eligibility criteria, so these things which we are going to discuss in this particular आपका session itself. So first thing आपका, when it comes to age criteria, so that is minimum आपका 21 years and maximum आपका 31 years. ठीक है, so 30 years, sorry, so maximum आपका 30 years. So this is the age gap, आपका age range, basically people those who are having age आपका in between 21 to 30, so they'll be eligible for this particular examination. And one thing, like once they'll release the notification, let's say if they release notification on 15th of August or any आपका other date, so they'll be giving you the cutoff date for that particular notification, and everything will be counted on that particular cutoff date. Like let's say if they release your notification आपका suppose that 8 September, so first like they'll mention ki the cutoff date for the age will be 1st September or anything else आपका, ठीक है, or it can be last of आपका September or the any other date which will be mentioned. So as on that particular date, your minimum age should be 21 years and maximum आपका 30 years, ठीक है. That is the age criteria for this one. And there are some categories or some experienced people, ठीक है, like let's say if you belong to some category, there are some age relaxation upper side. And if you are experienced person, like let's say as a PO or assistant manager, if you are working with bank, so you'll be having, let's say if you have 5 year experience, so you'll get 3 years आपका additional for that particular job itself, ठीक है. So what are these particular areas? So when it comes to category wise आपका relaxation, it is आपका 5 years up to 35 years and 3 years up to 33 years. Here we have आपका 10 years, 40 years and 34 years and आपका 32 years, ठीक है. These are the categories. So that is something की which is आपका define in the, and that is as per the एक्ट इट सेल्फ, ठीक है. सो जो भी SC ST अदर्स, ये जो जितनी भी कैटेगरीज हैं, इनको जो भी रिलैक्सेशन आपका दिया था, दैट इज सेम एप्लीकेबल टू दी RBI एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो, राइट. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर एक्सपीरियंस आपका, ठीक है. So like let's say if you are working in a bank or any other financial institution as a basically like let's say as a PO or above than that, in that case you will be getting experience आपका the age relaxation of 3 years up to 3 years. Let's say if you have done if you have spent 3 years or 4 years or 5 years, you will get 3 year आपका relaxation. This is the maximum one, right? So this is the areas आपका the like the categories of your post and others that generally included in this. Clerical, if you are working at a clerical post and all, that is not get included, and even your probation period is also not included in this particular one. So this age is generally आपका post probation and you should be at आपका assistant manager, PO or the other profile in the bank itself. तो ये आपका कहीं ना कहीं एज से रिलेटेड आपका जो क्वेरीज हैं. तो whenever they'll come up with the notification, mostly you can expect around August, September. So there will be a cutoff date, and as on that particular cutoff date, so you can calculate as per the your last notification. So accordingly you can manage your preparation or कि you will be eligible or not. ठीक है, the first thing. Second thing आपका, when it comes to the education, so many candidate those who are in final years, तो जिन्होंने पास कर लिया दैट इज लाइक 60% क्राइटेरिया, ग्रेजुएशन आपका प्लेन आपका यहाँ पे, ठीक है, ग्रेजुएशन इन एनी डिसिप्लिन, so it can be all these particular thing, and the percentage criteria is 60% for the general candidate, ठीक है. But when it comes to आपका final year candidates, if you are in a final year and your result is not declared, so you are not eligible for that particular one as of as on date, cut off date आपका, ठीक है. So again आपका this, so final students, आपका final year students, अगर आपका फाइनल ईयर चल रहा है, अभी एग्जाम नहीं हुए स्टिल आपका, और एग्जाम दिए हैं, अभी रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर नहीं हुआ है, तो अगर उस डेट पर आपका रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर नहीं होता, उस डेट मतलब जो कट ऑफ डेट है, ठीक है, दैट कट ऑफ डेट विल डिसाइड योर एलिजिबिलिटी इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस इफ यू हैव गिवन एग्जामिनेशन and your institute or university have declared the result also, so that is again you have to refer the cutoff date itself, right? So minimum if it comes to the percentage 60% in graduation आपका, ठीक है, and the other categories आपका it is 55%, ठीक है. So category wise SC ST PWBD, so they have आपका 55% criteria in this particular situation, ठीक है. The third one is आपका the work experience, ठीक है. So when it comes to work experience, if it is about the mandate, no, there is no mandate, ठीक है. तो ऐसा कुछ हो नहीं कि आपका एलिजिबिलिटी की आपको एक्सपीरियंस होना ही होना चाहिए. हाँ, दे डू प्रेफर आपका कैंडिडेट those who have work experiences in bank and financial institutions, but that too at the time of interview, right? तो इंटरव्यू के समय आपको थोड़ा सा लेवरेज मिलता है. Otherwise, as per the eligibility criteria, there is as such no eligibility criteria for this particular one, ठीक है. So if you have done your graduation and if you belongs to that age group आपका 21 to 30 years, you are eligible for this particular job, right? तो now आपका number of attempts, ठीक है, when it comes to number of attempts, ठीक है. So general आपका it is maximum 6 attempt, and here when it comes to the category आपका SC ST OBC PWD, so this is आपका this is the case, ठीक है. So like अगर हम लोग बात करें कि अगर आप फॉर्म फिल करते हैं दैट विल काउंटेड, नो. तो इफ यू गो एंड यू हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड इन एग्जाम दैट विल काउंटेड योर एज अ अटेम्प्टेड, सब ठीक है. तो अटेम्प्ट कब काउंट होगा कि आपने फॉर्म फिल किया एंड यू हैव अटेम्प्टेड दैट पर्टिकुलर वन, योर अटेंडेंस, and that will equal to your number of attempt आपका in this particular case itself, right? So this is about your attempt. तो ये कुछ queries आपका जो frequently बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट जो अभी रिसेंटली आपका इन एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए प्रिपेयर करने का स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, सोच रहे हैं, ठीक है. तो वी आर गेटिंग दीज पर्टिकुलर क्वेरीज. आई होप यू गेट आंसर. Still, if you are having any other question apart from these particular one, please do let me know in the comment section. We'll come up with a video solution or we will answer you in the comment section so that you can also you can solve your queries and we can prepare for this particular examination. So this is right time to prepare for regulatory bodies. What I'll suggest ki first like at least 5 to 6 month detailed study will require for this one, then practice. So start your preparation from today itself, ठीक है. Do not wait for the notifications और ऐसा कुछ भी मत सोचें कि यार नोटिफिकेशन कब आएगा या दस. These all are kind of myth. No one know कि कब आपका नोटिफिकेशन रिलीज किया जाएगा, ठीक है. तो अभी ऐसा कोई चांस भी नहीं है. तो जस्ट अभी अगर आप लाइक लेट्स से इफ यू prepare well for next 3-4 months, you have done with the concept part and others, then the remaining time आपका you can start focusing around the practice portion, and till the exam, the day of notification, you should be prepared for this particular one full fledged, right? तो एक बार आप इतना confident हो कि आप किसी भी डेट पे नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए, that is the आपका that kind of preparation level that will be required for this particular examination. So wish you all the very best for your preparation, guys. If you are having any doubt, any queries, please do let me know in the comment section. So we'll help you out. And even if you are preparing for any other examination and if you are having similar doubts, please do let us know. So we'll come up with the detailed solution. So this is it. Bye bye. Take care all and all the very best for your preparation, guys. Thank you.